Remember, Central Rockies Teen Headquarters on Facebook. Make sure to look it up. A couple days, and we'll have a video.